In a world where magical creatures roamed free, a young boy named Timmy lived in a small village surrounded by lush green forests and sparkling rivers. Timmy was an avid Pocatan trainer, just like his father and grandfather before him. He spent most of his days exploring the countryside, catching new Pokemon and learning about their unique abilities. One sunny morning, Timmy decided to venture into the nearby forest to catch a few more Pokemon for his collection. He packed a small backpack with his favorite snacks, a bottle of water, and his trusty Pokédex, a high-tech encyclopedia that helped him identify and learn about different Pokemon. As he walked deeper into the forest, the trees grew taller and the path became narrower. Timmy heard the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves, indicating that he was getting close to a Pokemon habitat. Suddenly, he stumbled upon a clearing, and in the center of it stood a small, yellow creature with bright eyes and a twitching nose. "Wow!" Timmy exclaimed. "That is a Pikachu." Pikachu, the quick and energetic Pokemon, looked up at Timmy and let out a high-pitched Pika, Pika. Timmy knew that Pikachu was trying to communicate with him, but he didn't understand what it was saying. Just then, a wise old Pokemon trainer appeared from behind a tree. "Aha, young Timmy," he said with a warm smile. "I see you have met Pikachu. That is a rare and special Pokemon indeed." The old trainer introduced himself as Professor Oak, a renowned Pokemon researcher. He explained to Timmy that Pikachu was a highly intelligent Pokemon capable of using its quick thinking and agility to outsmart its opponents. Timmy was amazed by Professor Oak's words and begged him to help him catch Pikachu. Professor Oak smiled and handed Timmy a small Pokeball. "This is a special Pokeball designed specifically for catching Pikachu," he said. "But remember, Timmy, catching a Pokemon is not just about throwing a ball." Timmy carefully approached Pikachu, speaking softly to calm it down. Pikachu, sensing Timmy's kind intentions, began to trust him. With a gentle toss, Timmy threw the Pokeball and it enveloped Pikachu in a bright light. The ball shook back and forth several times before finally coming to a stop, signifying that Pikachu had been caught. Timmy beamed with joy, knowing that he had just caught a truly special Pokemon. Professor Oak patted Timmy on the back, saying, "You have done a great job, Timmy. Pikachu will make a wonderful partner for you. Now, let's head back to my laboratory and learn more about Pikachu's unique abilities." As they walked back to the laboratory, Timmy asked Professor Oak about Pikachu's powers. Professor Oak explained that Pikachu could generate powerful electricity from its cheeks, which it used to defend itself and its allies. Timmy was amazed by this ability and couldn't wait to try it out. Back at the laboratory, Professor Oak introduced Timmy to his other Pokemon, including a wise old Charizard and a quick-witted Squirtle. Timmy spent the rest of the day learning about each Pokemon's unique abilities and how to use them effectively in battles. As the sun began to set, Timmy said goodbye to Professor Oak and thanked him for his help. He knew that he had a long journey ahead of him, but with Pikachu by his side, He felt confident and ready for anything. As they walked back to Timmy's village, Pikachu suddenly let out a high-pitched Pika. Timmy looked at Pikachu in utter surprise and asked, "What's wrong?" Pikachu responded with a series of chirps and whistles, indicating that it had sensed a nearby Pokémon. Timmy's eyes widened with excitement as he realized that Pikachu had detected a rare and powerful Pokémon, a Mewtwo hiding deep within the forest. Without hesitation, Timmy and Pikachu set off to catch the elusive Mewtwo, embarking on a thrilling adventure that would test their skills, friendship, and determination. The adventures of Timmy and Pikachu continue. In the next installment of Timmy and Pikachu's adventures, they face off against Team Rocket, a group of nefarious Pokémon trainers who seek to exploit the magical creatures for their own gain. With the help of Professor Oak and his team of researchers, Timmy and Pikachu must outsmart Team Rocket and protect the Pokémon they care about. Will Timmy and Pikachu be able to stop Team Rocket and save the day? Join us next time to find out.